Down the shed!
On down the shed we have a USB-C magnetic power cable. So I've opted for the green cable, and as you can see on the end here, the little USB-C connector. You can get the Android as well. Just literally clips on by itself like so. So let's power it up. So this is quite a cool little lead. So let's hit the power. In fact, let's kill the lights first. We've got the light from Big Live. So hit the power, and there we go. Awesome. And that looks like it's actually feeding the electric into your device. So that's the USB power cable. I'll put a link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel for other interesting projects, tech and gadgets, and I'll see you in the next one.
Down the shed!